Welcome to Hawaii Academy. Open Nova LCT software to read back receiving card. Confirm that the control system is detected. After that, click User. Select Advanced Synchronous System. User login and enter password. Next, select the screen configuration. Click Next. Select the receiving card. Select Read from the receiving card. There are three options: sending card number, port number, receiving card number. Sending card number means from which processor you intend to read back. Give that number. Port number means from which port you are connecting. Give that number. Receiving card means enter the number from which receiving card is being read. After that, press OK. So read information from the receiving card successfully. After that, we can see the parameters of the cabinet. Now, you can send directly by selecting Send to Receiving Card. Or you can save the file by giving Save to File.